Small screen is not new to me. I happen to be the person who started the trend of daily soaps in India. My show Ek Mahal Ho Sapnon Ka was the first daily soap of Indian TV. So it's not new to me. My show was also the first show to complete 1000 episodes. TV is not new to me. I have been a product of TV, then went into films, and since then the Indian TV scene has been dominated by daily soaps. But I think now that audience has started demanding for a change, and it looks like that TV is going to change, and miniseries are going to become the way forward. And so I thought I should be at the beginning of the change. I should take the risk and be really at the beginning of the change. And so I decided to do this show, and that's how I made it.
For me, actually, it wasn't a small screen debut. It was working with Vipul Shah. He's directing this show. He's making it on an as big scale as you would be making a film. So for me, it was being part of a really big film, which being part of actually 3 big films, because shooting this entire thing is equal to doing 3 movies, I think. So yeah, I thought I had to be part of it.
तो पुकार जो है चूँकि मैं केमियोज़ मुझे अच्छा लगता है, टीवी पे आके थोड़ा सा केमियोज़ करके चला जाना अच्छा लगता है मुझे। लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे तो क्या ज़रूरत है टीवी करने की, ना पर मुझे ज़रूरत महसूस होती है मुझे, क्योंकि जो मुझे लगता है कि फिल्मों में काम कर करके एक्टर जो है बहुत लेज़ी हो जाता है, तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि हर एक्टर को जो है कुछ ना कुछ टेलीविज़न हर साल में एक बार कर ही लेना चाहिए.
I thought that I've not played something like this before, so I was very happy that someone's offered me this role, because I've not done anything like this before. I've usually played like serious characters, so something like this, being fun and spontaneous and energetic, I thought I should be part of this and play this character.
Okay. What is the character is all about?
I'm Aarti. I'm a journalist, so I'm trying to be like you guys. I bring in the lighter moments in the show, the romance, and I'm this very spontaneous, very brave character.
Of course, there are always challenges to shoot so many days back to back, but when the team decides to put their front foot forward and best foot forward, and they are committed to the show to this extent as they are, then I think nothing becomes difficult. It's great fun. We are all the time laughing on the set. It's a fun set to be on, and we're all loving it.